Want to turn your book into an audiobook that sounds human, without hiring a voice actor? I did it using AI. In this video I'll show you exactly how. Big platforms are accepting AI-narrated audiobooks, which means authors and creators can publish faster and cheaper than ever. But there are rules and quality expectations. I'll show how to meet them. 5 steps. Prepare your text, create a human-like narration, edit and master the audio, publish to stores and promote using short videos. I'll walk every step. First, adapt the manuscript. Remove visuals, e.g., see Figure 3. Write short reading cues, like pause or emphasize in brackets, and split into chunks of 15 to 20 minutes. This keeps narration consistent and manageable for AI voices and later editing. You can hire a narrator, best but expensive. Use TTS, AI voice, fast and cheap, or do hybrid, AI draft plus, human polish. Tools like 11 Labs and Descript produce near-human narration. 11 Labs has free and paid tiers and is widely used for audiobooks. Descript offers overdub cloning too. 11 Labs progress. 1. Paste your clean text into 11 Labs or Descript, pick a single voice and stick with it for consistency. I recommend stability around 50, clarity 70-75 and normal speed. Generate short segments, 3-7 minutes, so you can control breaths and pacing. Eleven Labs plus 1. Edit using Descript, Audacity or a DAW. Remove artifacts, fix mispronunciations, adjust breaths, and normalize levels. Some platforms require specific loudness. Check each distributor. If you want standard audiobook loudness, aim for around 18 LUFs for spoken word, but confirm with your distributor. Export mastered files as WAV or high bitrate MP3. Name files clearly per chapter. Keep a backup of raw and final files. To distribute, use Audible ACX, Findaway, which feeds Spotify retailers, or direct platforms. Note, Audible Spotify are piloting AI narration features, and platforms may require disclosure and quality controls. Read their policies. The Guardian plugins. Nominant 1. Now promote. Use InVideo AI to make audiobook trailers, chapter audiograms, and short video teasers. Paste a 15-60 second excerpt and let InVideo auto-build the visual with captions and waveform. Ready for YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Use the link below to try InVideo AI and get my free audiobook launch kit with scripts and thumbnail templates. InVideo. In tests, authors who add audio versions plus short promotional clips see significantly higher reach and discoverability. Pairing a clean audiobook with short social clips drives audiobook sales and book discoverability. Legal note: Maunsign, Audicon for Sordo. Be transparent. Some platforms require labeling AI narration. Respect voice cloning rights and copyright. If you use someone's voice clone, ensure you have permissions. If you want my audiobook launch kit, full prompts, chapter audio templates, and promotional video templates, try InVideo AI with the link below and the kit is yours free. I'll also include the exact 11 Labs Descript settings I used. Link, https, thevirgoorganization.com, InVideo. Subscribe for more creator experiments. If you want a walkthrough for ACX, Findaway, or Spotify publishing, comment below and I'll do it next.